Watching Fun HS Info. Today I am going to talk about safety officer responsibilities. Before going to discuss about responsibilities, let us see some of the duties of safety officer. Implementation of company safety procedures to prevent accidents and loss. These procedures are like SOP, Standard Operating Procedure, PTW, Work Permit System, method statements, management of change, pre-start safety reviews, etc. Next one, identification of hazards and take necessary actions to rectify them. Identify the hazards by using these techniques like HIRA, Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment, JHA, Job Hazard Analysis, Environment Impact Assessment, etc. Investigation and analysis of accidents and incidents and reporting to higher authority, which means we have to follow up the incidents, near misses, reportable incidents, lost time incidents, first aid incidents, and LOPs, which means loss of primary containments. Next one, carry out inspections and audits in a regular basis to ensure safe working. These audits includes external audits, internal audits, weekly walkthrough, equipment inspections, etc. Conduct various safety trainings and safety induction to the workforce mobilized to the site. These trainings includes toolbox talks, job-specific trainings, product-specific trainings, PPE donning procedures, safety awareness trainings, etc. Conduct and organize various safety promotional activities like mock drills, safety committee meetings, National Safety Day, Fire Safety Day, Environmental Day, safety competitions, etc. Documentation of all safety related activities like incident records, material safety data sheets, mock drill records, permit documents, legal registers, IMS documents, checklists, etc. And ensure that approved PPE used by all employees. The PPE is like head protection, hand protection, foot protection, fall protection, respiratory protection. Now, what are the responsibilities of safety officer? It is most important for every safety officer to know his responsibilities. For easily understanding the responsibilities of safety officer, follow these three basic rules: common knowledge, industrial knowledge, and expert knowledge. Let us discuss about these three rules with examples to understand and gain knowledge about safety officer responsibilities. I promise if you are able to understand these three rules, then it is very easy to understand your role in EHS or HSE management. First one, common knowledge. What is a common knowledge and why it is important? It is totally depends on work situation. For example, a person is working on a roof without any safety precautions and he is alone. Here the situation is a person working on a roof without any safety precautions and he is alone. Which means a person is working on the roof without permission, without safety belt, and most importantly he is alone. It means work at height. Just think with common knowledge, what possibility is there? Chance of falling, right? If he fell down, then the consequences are serious head injuries, backbone fractures, leg injuries, and maybe fatal or death also possible. Think once again, if any one of these incidents happen at workplace, nobody is there to help him because he is alone. So that a condition is very dangerous or critical condition, right? Then what is your action? If you find out this situation at work spot, have to think with common knowledge that if he continues his work with these existing unsafe conditions, there is a chance of fall and results serious personal injury. Your immediate action is to stop the work and explain him the hazards and the importance of safety precautions to avoid incidents. This is the common knowledge. Second one, industrial knowledge. What is an industrial knowledge and why it is important? It is totally depends on industry and their works, knowledge about industry and familiar with procedures. This is totally different from common knowledge, like any person walking on the road is common, but same person walking inside the factory have to follow plant rules and regulations if possibility of incidents. For example, a person handling a chemical without safety protection. Working with chemicals without safety protection is very dangerous and may cause health effects. Just think what can happen possibility. Chance of exposure, right? He exposed to chemicals, then consequences are dermatitis, skin burns, respiratory problems, some chemical reactions release radiation, may lead to fire incidents, results property damage or personal injuries. If you find out the situation at work spot, have to think with industrial knowledge that it is very dangerous to handle chemicals without safety protection. Your immediate action is to stop him and explain him to use proper hand gloves, nose mask and follow safety instructions to handle chemicals to avoid chemical incidents. Next one, expert knowledge. What is an expert knowledge and why it is important? It is totally depend on work experience and their works. A person working in a chemical company without policy. Here policy means rules and regulations. If any organization runs with strong safety policy, there is a possibility of accidents are very low. Then it is very easy to organize workplace safely, very effectively. This is called expert knowledge. Now here is a situation, a person working without policy. Just think what can happen possibility. If there is any casualty or fire incidents happen because of chemicals, in the investigation procedure, adjusting root cause is person working without policy. It's a crime which results we get notices from enforcement authorities. So we definitely know about expert knowledge like Factories Act, health and safety policies and legal requirements. Remember, as a health and safety officer or advisor, we would use our knowledge and skills to reduce injuries, accidents and health problems in the workplace. Thank you.